What gym are we going to on this? Not going. Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video, unboxing, and review a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free as well to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, as we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And be sure to check out that join button. We have a ton of new perks for our Shade Gang members, so be sure to check out those tiers. Also, we've got a ton of merch that we've got listed up on our store, so be sure to check that out as well. So today is a first for us. We have never done an Ivy Park shoe before. So we are going to open this bad boy up and talk some shade, actually, because this is a very damaged box. We haven't seen one of these in a while. Then we're going to get into a quick overview on what this shoe looks like, talk about sizing and how I really screwed up under pressure and ordered the wrong size, thinking that this shoe ran in women's sizing, but it was actually unisex. So that's a want for me, and these shoes are way too big, but hey, don't worry, we styled them anyways for you guys, just so you could get a look as to how they looked with some pieces I was able to cop actually at the flagship store here in New York. Hey everyone, just finished shooting in my gym. It is a beautiful day in the gym because nobody's in here. There's nothing better than having a gym all to yourself. In my workout gear, doing some new Ivy Park videos for you guys, so hopefully you like what I have to post. For those of you who don't know, I was a collegiate athlete. I played volleyball in college on a full-ride scholarship, and blew out my ACL even right before the championship game for the NCAA finals. Pretty bittersweet about that, but that's okay. Still got it in me, still got the workout game going on, going strong. All right, we'll catch you guys later. I gotta get to editing now. I wasn't sure that there was gonna be anything left over. I only copped stuff from the very first collab with Ivy Park and Adidas, and that was pretty insane. I walked in the store and literally had to quickly grab whatever I wanted and stand in line, and literally everything sold out in store within like that first hour. It was pretty crazy how fast everything went, and the hype that has gone behind Beyonce's brand, Ivy Park, and Adidas when they tend to do collabs. It's pretty crazy, but now they're pretty organized with, I think when I first tried to go in, they made you sign up on the app and schedule a time, but this time I guess the flagship store ended up getting a lot of returns from different areas. They were the only store that was receiving returns, which is why I was able to cop a few items that I didn't get online. So we're gonna go through those items I copped, as well as some older pieces, one of which I'm wearing from her older line, and talk about some of those items in that capsule that was launched with Adidas. And then we are going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market and how I'm going to do getting rid of these because there are no returns on Feature where I got them from. So that was a big bad on my part, but we're going to fix it nonetheless. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at how damaged the box is. Let's flip it this way because this is pretty bad, guys. I don't know. It's not even really the shape of a box. It's kind of got this irregular shaping going on. Some nice crunchiness on that side. And who doesn't love a ripped up box, especially when you get the wrong size and you have to get rid of it? That's just the icing on the cake, right? Completely. All right, well, one good thing is it does come with a dust bag, so that's nice at least. If only I could just sell shoes in dust bags and people didn't care about the boxes. But in this day and age, you gotta have a mint condition box to resell something, and it's just, I don't even know what to do with this. Put this on the side. I mean, it is a cool box from what I can tell. If this is like really cool, the feeling of it. I mean, it's pretty well done, but it's definitely pretty damaged, so I can't really tell the quality of it at this point in time. But yeah, that's my lovely damaged box. I hit a feature on that and got a little bit of a discount at least on the damage that was done, but I'd rather them just take back the shoes. They won't. All right, so now let's go through this Forum Mid shoe. So as you guys know, she typically releases a few options in different silhouettes. We've seen the Ultra Boost released. We've also seen the Night Jogger, as well as the Sleek Super 72. And this one is the Forum Mid, which I actually really like. So I'm so bummed that this isn't my size, but hey, what can you do? I pulled out of the box, I was like, wow, that looks really big. And I swear my feet don't look that big. But anyways, let's go through this. This has got some nice neutral color tones to it, which I love. I love the kind of vintagey cream on this midsole with that translucent outsole. Then we've got some nice tumbled white leather throughout here. Of course, we've got our 3 stripes for the Adidas and some nice detailed laces here in that gray and white with some nice gold tips on it. And we've got some nice just tan leather, suede leather on the toe box, as well as that perforated toe box there in the white. Some nice leather, actually, very good quality. The suede is also extremely nice. We've got this Velcro strap with Ivy Park there, detailed in the center of it. And then it looks like we've got on the tongue some nice Ivy Park logo detail on the top of that tongue as well in white. And we've got, again, some nice gold detail here on this soft suede. And we've got this huge, like, I don't even know what this is for, to carry your shoes, I guess. It's kind of cool, actually, because I feel like if you can't fit your shoes in the bag, this is a great way to actually hold your shoes on the outside of your bag. I feel like I've run into that problem a ton of times where I'm just like, I can't fit my shoes in here, or they're just too dirty and you don't want to put them inside your bag. This is a pretty cool option to have, so you can just kind of like tie this to a bag if you want. Let's take a look at the insole. It's got that dual branding Ivy Park with some nice, actually, looks like a nubuck leather insole here in that gold colorway. She definitely had a theme this launch, which she's actually had a ton of themes. She's launched so many colorways in the past few months. It's been pretty crazy. I wasn't able actually to get to the store when she launched the green and kind of like a sky blue as well as a gold colorway. And she also had like another kind of salmon-y pink colorway as well. I wasn't able to cop anything from that collection, but I don't think those colors really matched my palette as much. So these definitely matched well with the black and gold options that I was able to pick up on the latest release. So as far as sizing goes, I would say I would be true to size, which is a 7.5 in men's, or gender neutral sizing, as she calls it. I think I was just under a lot of pressure when things were selling out, and I clicked on 9, assuming after I saw a picture of her that it was in women's sizing, but unfortunately it was in men's sizing. So definitely a size 9 was way too large for me in the gender neutral sizing. So I would probably have gone with a 7.5 if that was pretty much more explicit when ordering the shoe, which it was not. Yeah, so true to sizing I would recommend if I could tell you if that was the case and it fit me well. Again, I have, you know, slightly narrow feet. These are pretty narrow shoes actually as well, but the 9 is just, again, a little way too big on me. All right, so now let's jump into styling and talk about the few pieces. I didn't pick up too much. Ivy Park Adidas collabs can be a little bit on the pricier end in my opinion. So if I do cop things from the line, I really just want to love them and know that I'm gonna wear them. So the first collection that she dropped was actually like this cool kind of burgundy and like neon fluorescent orange coloring scheme. And I got this bodysuit. I love it. It's very fitting. She does tend to like launch different bodysuits, or she has in her previous collections, just different colors. She had a cool one in black as well. But since I have this one, I just didn't feel the need to get another one. But also this colorway, I thought it was funny that Popeyes actually did a collab themselves because the colors match their uniforms so well. But this was one of my favorite color options that she launched with her collab with Adidas. But for the recent pickups, I got an Ivy Park black and gold bra, a Ivy Park biker short in the black and gold, as well as some tights in black and gold. And it's got some nice mesh on the sides. I feel like Beyonce does such a great job with her use of mesh that's kind of incorporated with the different options that she designs. And it's pretty similar to the burgundy maroon color that I first copped in the biker shorts on the side trim. I think it's just very sexy how she kind of has that kind of mesh just along the side so you can see a lot of leg.
Go on.
But I do like the two options that I copped. I think they're great workout pieces and definitely very form-fitting, and they make your body look great. So definitely, you know, as far as the price point goes, I do think it's a little bit pricier, so you got to be more selective on the items you go with. But as far as it goes, I do think her pieces are pretty unique, and I was very happy with my selects. So let me know what you guys think of her line. Were you able to cop anything from Ivy Park as far as the different launches that came out in the past few months? I know that she launched a lot of different items, so let me know what were some of your favorite pieces. All right, so now let's get into resale and talk about how these shoes are doing on the resale market. All right, so these shoes retailed at $150, and currently on the resale market, they are actually around retail value. So hopefully I will be able to maybe sell these to get my right size. We shall see, but definitely a good time to buy these shoes if you were unable to cop them, because they are going for around that retail price point of $150. Obviously, depending on what size you are, the smaller sizes, so like around 4.5 to like 5.5, are going a little bit higher, like around the 170 price point mark, which is not that much of a deal breaker. Or, you know, larger sizes like a size 9, for instance, is going around $154. So definitely a great time to invest in the shoe if you were unable to cop it. All right, you guys, thanks again so much for tuning into another one of my unboxings and reviews. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, pretty please, if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have on the Ivy Park line, as well as the shoe itself. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, as we have a ton of content that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And as always, check that join button, guys. We've got a new Discord that I would love to have you all on. Don't forget to check out the different membership tiers that we have and all the perks that you guys will get in addition to what you're already getting through the channel. It is highly worth it. I highly recommend you check it out. And don't forget as well to check out that new merch that we have. We've got so much Shade Gang awesomeness going on the store, so be sure to check out all those items. As always, thanks again for tuning into my channel. We will see you on the next video.